Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set X and Y axis in Excel. First, click on your chart to make the Chart Elements button appear, which looks like a green plus sign. Click this plus sign to open the Chart Elements menu. Make sure the Axes box is checked to display both your horizontal and vertical axes. This is your essential first step for all axis customizations. To customize your horizontal or X-axis, right-click directly on it and select Format Axis. This opens a pane on the right side of your screen. Here, you can set the minimum and maximum bounds, adjust the major and minor units, and define tick mark types. You can also choose specific number formatting for your axis labels, like currency or percentages. Similarly, to customize your vertical or Y-axis, right-click it and choose Format Axis. In the Format pane, you can precisely set the minimum and maximum values for your data range. You can also modify the display units, such as thousands or millions, and adjust where the axis labels appear relative to the axis line. This gives you fine control over your chart scale. For more advanced control, you can reverse the order of categories or values on either axis, which is useful for specific data presentations. You can also add a secondary axis if you have two different data series that require separate scales, providing clarity to complex charts. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a fantastic way to keep things tidy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.